Sometimes, the universe sends us a postcard, a fleeting glimpse of a comet, a flash of light from a dying star. These are messages from the great cosmic dark. They travel for millions, sometimes billions of years, just to reach our telescopes. We spend our lives looking up, waiting for these whispers from the void. Before we can understand the message, we must first get to know the messenger. What exactly is this object we call 3I Atlas? The name itself tells part of the story. The 3I signifies that it is the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. The first was Oumuamua in 2017. The second was Borisov in 2019. These objects are cosmic nomads. They are not bound by the gravity of our sun. They are born in distant star systems. The new image is not what you might expect. It is not a dazzling, colourful photograph like those we see of distant galaxies. It is subtle. It is rendered in shades of grey, black, faint, ghostly white. The image was captured by the James Webb Space Telescope using its powerful infrared instruments to pierce through the cloud dust. This new image is our first clear look at the nucleus of 3I/Atlas. It is a portrait of the traveller itself. At first glance, the image shows a dark, elongated object. It is roughly potato-shaped. Its surface is pitted. It is incredibly dark, absorbing almost all the light that falls upon it, which explains why it was so difficult to study. Streaks of slightly brighter material, likely ice being vaporized by the sun's warmth, can be seen erupting from fissures on its surface. It looks like a large inert piece of rock and ice. Imagine the silence in the control room when that image was first resolved. The soft hum of computers, the quiet breathing of men and women who had dedicated their lives to this moment. In that moment, the world changed. Not with a bang, but with the silent arrival of a few photons from across the void, carrying a picture that would rewrite our future. The process of verification was painstaking and meticulous. Independent teams were brought in to analyze the data. Every alternative had to be exhausted. Could it be an imaging artifact? A previously unknown crystalline structure? A bizarre form of space erosion? Let us now look closer at what was found. The official report describes it as partially exposed, non-geological, rectilinear structure. That is the language of science, precise, cautious. But what does it mean? It means that buried within the rock and ice of this interstellar object is something made. Spectrographic analysis shows it is a ceramic metallic alloy. The grid-like pattern on its surface is too perfect, too regular. It is a design. It has purpose. The structure itself is massive, about 300 meters across. It appears to be a fragment of something much larger. Is it a piece of a ship? A fragment of a space station? Part of a vast interstellar probe? We do not know. 3I Atlas is silent. It offers no explanation. It simply is. The implications of this discovery are staggering. They ripple outwards, touching every field of human endeavor. For science, it is a revolution. We will need to develop new theories, new methods of observation to search for more of these objects. The universe has become a grand archaeological dig. For humanity as a whole, the impact is even deeper. This discovery recontextualizes our entire existence. We are no longer the universe's only child. We are part of a larger family, a family we have yet to meet. This relic from 3I Atlas is a message of hope. So, what do we do now? Where do we go from here? The first step is to continue to study 3I Atlas with every tool we have. We have only a short time before it continues its journey, eventually leaving our solar system and heading back into the interstellar dark. Missions are already being planned, probes that could be launched to try and catch up with it. We must learn everything we can from it. It is a Rosetta Stone for a language we do not yet understand. The second step is to look for more. If there is one such object, there must be others. It does not require a PhD or access to a telescope. It simply requires a shift in perspective, a willingness to be curious, read, learn, talk to your friends and your family about this. Keep looking up. Keep asking why. The universe is waiting to tell us its secrets. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, I encourage you to follow the ongoing story. The greatest chapters are yet to be written. We are like children who have just found a key to a secret room in our own house. We do not know what we will find inside, but the journey of opening that door is what gives our lives meaning. Keep looking up, keep asking why, be inspired by it. This journey of discovery is just beginning. Very slow, warm. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.